And Nasir, thank you all very, very much for joining us with those ground reports. Let's quickly throw this open now. Sheikh OS, spokesperson of the National Conference, is live with us. Tausif Shah, senior PDP leader, joins us live. Ummar Jamal, National President of Jammu Kashmir Students Association, is live with us. Major General J.K. Bansal, defense expert, also joins us on the broadcast as well. Major General Bansal, I'll come back to you. Let's get in the others as well for their opening comments.
Exactly.
Ummar Jamal, come in here. You are, of course, representing the students. Let's talk about the youth of Jammu and Kashmir. What are their aspirations? What are the issues that matter to them that they will vote on this time around? There's a significant youth vote in the region, isn't there?
Yes. Thank you for having me. First and foremost, given these elections are being held after an interlude of 10 odd years, the youth of Kashmir find this an opportunity to express themselves. That's why they are coming out in great numbers. You see, the unemployment is on rise, and there were some policies which are, quite, contrary to common sense. Say, new reservation policy was brought in, which increased the reservation reservation up to 70%. So the open-minded population, which comprise of 69%, they are left with just 30% of the seats in whether it be in jobs or say admissions in the various universities and colleges. So the youth of Kashmir, they have taken the lead. They are coming out in great numbers, and you see why there has been surge in the voter percentage, be it in the parliamentary elections earlier. Now I expect that this time around the youth of Jammu and Kashmir will come out in great numbers and vote, and the voting percentage would be even higher than that of the parliamentary elections. Secondly, I find the Jammu Kashmir special status to be at the center of these elections. If you see the political parties, the local political parties, these NC, PDP, be it their manifestos or their the campaigning, the Article 370, held immense significance. And those political parties who earlier in parliamentary elections said somehow that since the abrogation of Article 370 and 35 has been validated by Honorable Supreme Court, so it is done and dusted forever. But since they couldn't perform well in the parliamentary elections, they lost security deposits. Now they have begun changing rhetoric. They don't say open and publicly that the Article 370 and 35 is done and dusted. So I believe that these elections are symbolic in nature. The youth of Jammu and Kashmir know that the Assembly of Union Territory cannot do much for us, but these elections hold symbolic significance for us. The people of Jammu and Kashmir, the youth of Jammu and Kashmir, they want to send loud and clear message to center that what was done on 5th of August and the way it was done was, are we, the youth of people, Jammu and Kashmir, happy with that or not? I believe that is going to be very important when on the results date, when the results will come in.